Hello, I am Adigun Emmanuel, currently learning digital marketing at DMZ camp. Wow, it's really been an amazing experience, and I must say a big thank you to the facilitator for putting this together. It's not really about learning the courses, it's about you understanding all you need to know about digital marketing, and it has really been helpful. One of the things I love about DMZ camp is that they don't just give you that permission to take the courses via the portal. There are times we have our live classes where our facilitator teaches us extensively on our current topic, and it's really helping us so much. It has not been convenient, and that's the truth, but then it's been worth every minute of my time. Thank you so much. God bless you.